Can WebAssembly supercharge real-time web applications on Azure? In the world of web development, real-time applications have become increasingly popular. These applications require instant communication between the client and server, enabling features like live updates, collaborative editing, and real-time gaming. To address this need, Microsoft has introduced Azure Web PubSub, a fully managed real-time messaging service that enables developers to build scalable and secure real-time web applications. But what if we told you that Azure Web PubSub just got a whole lot more powerful with the addition of WebAssembly support? WebAssembly, or WASM, is a binary instruction format that allows code written in languages like C, C++, and Rust, and Rust to run in web browsers and other environments that support the WebAssembly runtime. By supporting WebAssembly, Azure Web PubSub opens up a whole new world of possibilities for real-time web applications. So how does it work? With Azure Web PubSub and WebAssembly, developers can write their application logic in a language of their choice, compile it to WebAssembly, and then deploy it to Azure. The WebAssembly code runs in a sandboxed environment, ensuring security and isolation from other applications. This enables developers to build high-performance, real-time applications that can handle large volumes of messages and scale to meet the needs of their users. One of the key benefits of using WebAssembly with Azure Web PubSub is the ability to handle complex, compute-intensive tasks in real time. For example, imagine a real-time gaming application that requires complex physics simulations to be performed on the server side. With WebAssembly, developers can write their simulation code in a language like C++ and compile it to WebAssembly, allowing it to run in the Azure Web PubSub environment. This enables the application to perform complex calculations in real time, providing a seamless and immersive experience for users. Another example of the power of WebAssembly with Azure Web PubSub is in the field of live data analytics. Imagine a real-time analytics dashboard that requires complex data processing and visualization. With WebAssembly, developers can write their data processing code in a language like Rust and compile it to WebAssembly, allowing it to run in the Azure Web PubSub environment. This enables the application to process large volumes of data in real time, providing instant insights and updates to users. In addition to its performance benefits, WebAssembly also provides a high degree of security and isolation. Because WebAssembly code runs in a sandbox environment, it is isolated from other applications and cannot access sensitive data or system resources. This makes it an ideal choice for applications that require a high degree of security and compliance. So how do you get started with Azure Web PubSub and WebAssembly? The first step is to create an Azure Web PubSub instance and configure it to support WebAssembly. This can be done using the Azure portal or the Azure CLI. Once you have your instance set up, you can start writing your application logic in a language of your choice and compiling it to WebAssembly. To deploy your WebAssembly code to Azure Web PubSub, you can use the Azure Web PubSub SDK, which provides a set of APIs and tools for building and deploying real-time web applications. The SDK supports a range of programming languages, including C#, Breakouts, Java, and Python, making it easy to integrate WebAssembly into your existing development workflow. In conclusion, the combination of Azure Web PubSub and WebAssembly is a powerful one, enabling developers to build high-performance, real-time web applications that can handle complex, compute-intensive tasks. With its support for WebAssembly, Azure Web PubSub provides a secure and scalable platform for building a wide range of real-time applications, from gaming and live data analytics to collaborative editing and more. Whether you're building a new application or migrating an existing one to the cloud, Azure Web PubSub and WebAssembly are definitely worth exploring. To get started with Azure Web PubSub and WebAssembly, visit the Azure website and sign up for a free account. From there, you can create a new Azure Web PubSub instance and start building your real-time web application today. Don't just take our word for it, try it out for yourself and see the power of WebAssembly and Azure Web PubSub in action. Azure Web PubSub and WebAssembly are a match made in heaven, providing a powerful and secure platform